So let's see this philosophy in action. The sources detail an upcoming trip to the University of Oregon for Alumni Week. This seems like a perfect case study of everything coming together.
It really does. The itinerary is quite revealing. He's going back to Eugene for the All Sports Alumni Week. The football team's playing Indiana, so it's a busy time on campus.
And he's not just going as a former player, right? It's more strategic.
Much more. He's on the board of directors for the U of Oregon Black Alumni Network. So a chunk of his time is dedicated to, actual board meetings, strategic planning for that network. That's governance.
Okay, so fulfilling his board duties.
Yeah.
But then there's the public-facing stuff.
Right. He's the featured speaker at the Alumni and Student Business Mixer on Thursday, October 9th. That's a prime spot.
Yeah, directly connecting with students and professionals, using his platform.
Exactly. He gets to share his winner's mindset philosophy with a receptive audience. And then, on Saturday, he's hitting both the Black Alumni Tailgate and the All Sports Tailgate before the game.
So, networking, basically. But probably with a purpose.
Definitely purposeful. It's about visibility, connection, reinforcing his position within both specific communities and the broader alumni network. But there's another layer to it.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
The sources mention something specific. He's not just networking, he's meeting with business professionals and interviewing students for internship opportunities.
Oh, interesting. So he's not just talking about success, he's actively creating pathways.
That's it, exactly.
Yeah.
It moves from just inspiration to actual empowerment. He's scouting talent, using his network, his visibility as a speaker and board member to connect students with real opportunities.
That makes the whole trip feel different. It's not just a speaking gig. It's talent acquisition and mentorship in action.
Right. It turns an alumni weekend into a strategic development push, leveraging the emotional connection to the university for very concrete business and mentoring goals. That efficiency, doing multiple things at once, seems core to his approach.
Yeah, making the winner's mindset tangible, moving it from a talk into potential jobs.
It's quite coherent when you lay it all out.
It really is. It's not just random roles. It's a clear progression funneling into this mentorship and strategy work.
And for anyone listening who wants to learn more, the sources point towards reginaldgrant.com as a place to connect, showing he's accessible.
Okay, so let's wrap this up. What's the big takeaway from this deep dive?
I think the key thing is seeing Reginald Grant's career as this masterclass in synthesis, taking totally different experiences, sports, teaching, and weaving them into a single strong thread.
Yeah, a platform focused squarely on success strategies and actually implementing them. It shows your past doesn't have to box you in.
Right. It's not baggage, it's capital. He took the athlete's discipline, the teacher's structure, the entrepreneur's, willingness to try things, and built a methodology he can share.
It's definitely an impressive path.
It is. And it leaves us with a thought for you, the listener, something to chew on directly from the material we looked at.
Okay.
Grant says success is defined differently for all of us. So the question is, how would you measure the success of someone like him, a strategist blending sports and teaching to inspire young people? If it's not just about money or titles, what are the real metrics when the mission is empowerment itself? Something to think about, maybe, in terms of your own journey.